Over the Rainbow from Wizard of Oz. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that I dare to dream really do come true. Someday I wake up on the stars, I wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you find me, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why then, oh, why can't I? Someday I wake up on the stars, I wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney top. That's where you find me, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why, then why can't